Okay, hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to use MyFunai visual learning environment as a tutor, as a lecturer, how you can use MyFunai visual learning environment as a lecturer. So to get started, you log on to myfunai.citylearn.net. Okay, then once you log on, this is where you provide your username or email. So once you provide your username or email, then you provide your password. Okay, if you don't have an account, you click on register, and you get your access code from your department. That from there you can register. So since I already have my account, I'll proceed. So I click on login. So now that I'm in, a quick overview. At the header, what we have here is notification. So this is where you get notification on what is happening on the platform. So this is message. This is where you can send message to everyone on the platform, and this is where you can equally manage your account. You have profile, help, log account, and log out. Okay, so this is where you can search for users within the platform. Okay, so you can make a search. You can search for people within the platform. Okay, so then here is where you get a quick statistics of your course content. Okay, so this is course content chart. So you can see this shows you that you have 2 courses under your account, and this is for course notes and this is for assignment. So this means that this particular course has 1 course note, while this has 2 course notes, and this one have 1 assignment, but this doesn't have any assignment. Okay, so this is a quick overview. Then this is where you equally have a quick overview of your course notes that you have uploaded on the platform for this session or for this semester as well. So here you can provide comment for students, and you can equally see student comments. So this is connection. So this is where you get to see everyone. Okay, this is where you get to get updates. Okay, this is where you get updates from the platform. So you get to see updates and what is happening, feedback on the platform. So this is for connection. This is where you see everyone within the platform. You tend to connect with people on the platform. So this is where you can see this is where you can connect. You can see people within the platform, and you can send them connection requests, and they can get connected with them. Okay, so this is the start menu. So this is to have the courses. So yeah, before now, your courses will be allocated to you by the department. So once you come in, you log in, your courses will be there already for you. So if I want to create a live class, so I click on live class. So we have two actions to take here. The first one is instant live class. The second one is scheduled for later. Okay, so instant live class means I want to start this class now. So I'll click on instant live class. I'll select the particular course I want to start it with. So I'll select demo, then duration. How long do I want this class to last? So maybe for tutorial sake, I will just choose 5 minutes. Okay, then I'll just click on start class. Okay, so so it's going to ask request for my microphone, allow. So I'm not going to click on allow, because if I do that, you'll stop hearing me. So for tutorial purpose, but for you click on allow. Okay, so I'm not going to click on allow. So I'll close it. So I'll just enter my name. I'll just join the meeting. So I'm inside the meeting. So this is where you can see I'm the only one on this. So once the meeting starts, the students will get the notification, and they can equally join. This is where you see the list of your students that have joined the meeting. Okay, this is where you can perform some actions. So you can see invite people, you can see record, you can see you can see the whiteboard. This is where you can use whiteboard. You can see record. So you can record the meeting and upload it to the drive for students to download and view the class. So you can have the class and equally record it. Okay. This is where you can see the list of the actions you can perform. Okay. Yeah. So you can equally share documents here. Okay. Share video and audio. So these are things you can do. Yeah. And from here you can equally allow your mic, video and other things. You can send message. So this is it for live class. So if I go back, the courses. So now for schedule, now see what happens is that once you have a class that is going on, you can see once I come in here, there's a pop-up. So these automatic pop-ups to show you that you have a class going on. So this is what we have here. So you can join the class. Okay. So now this is for schedule letter. So schedule letter means I want to have this class later. So here now you're going to choose the date. So you want the class to hold, and you're going to choose the duration. Then if there's any other information you want to put in concerning the classes, we're going to enter that for students to see. So that's different between instant live class and schedule for later. Okay. So this is usually where you see your calendar for the classes you've had. Okay. So maybe this you can see. So here you can equally view attendance. You can see people that were in the classroom, that attended the class. Okay. So this is it. Then you have attendance. So attendance is where you see those that attended your classes. So here you have to you load the course, you select the course you want to view attendance. I click on load attendance. So here you can see the attendance, you can view the report, you can see how many classes you've had and how many. So this is just a demo, like this is a demo tutorial. So you can see a demo student. I already have one student here, which is a demo student. Okay. So but for you, you have as many as you have more than one. Okay. So this is the total classes that we've had so far, and this is the attendance for each student. So then we have my courses. So for my courses, as a lecturer, your courses will automatically be assigned to you by the department. So once you log in, you see the list of your courses, and you can see your course members. So this is where you see your course members. You have students. So for instance, this particular course, we have 5 members. So if I click on to see students, you can see the list of your students. You can see some of their information. You can equally send a message. Then once they log in, they'll get your message, and you can equally make any of them course rep. Okay. Then this is for tutors. This is where you can see your colleagues that you're lecturing in the class. That together you guys are working together to lecture the class. So, yeah. So we have so this is it for courses and course members. Then here we have a announcement. So here we have announcement. So you can see here you can create an announcement. So one thing about this announcement is that it's connected with the student's email. So every announcement you publish on this platform will automatically be sent to the student's email. So they're going to get it. So you can add new announcement. So you select the particular course you want to publish the announcement. You enter the announcement details, then you send the announcement. So like I said, it's connected with the student's email. So all the students offering the course will get the announcement. Okay. Then we have assignment. So this is where you create assignments for students. So if I click on assignment, so this is just an overview. For this particular course, I don't have any assignment. For this one, I have one assignment. Okay. So if I click here, so this opens up. I can view assignments that I've created so far. So we have you can see the assignment details. You can see the due date. You can see the weighting. The weighting is just the score, the maximum score a student can get. It is visible to students. You can edit, you can trash, that's delete. Okay, you can view submission. So this shows that you have one submission, one student has submitted. Okay, you can see the student's attachments. You can grade the student. So if you click here now, you can grade the student, you can give him score, can provide a feedback, okay, like a comment. You can equally attach a feedback file to the student, okay, to see, okay. So this is where you enter the score, and it's only numbers you enter, okay. Yeah. So this is where you enter the score. Yeah. Once you're done, you click on grade, okay. So and you publish. You can make it live. Yeah. So once you're done, and if you want the student to see it, to start seeing their assignment score, so you click on publish. So once you click on publish, it actually, do you want to make this visible to students? You can say yes. Okay, but I'm not doing that now. Okay, so you can close this. Now to create assignment, all I need to do is to click on create assignment. So now here is, you have where you want it to go live. Okay, so which means you can create an assignment for later use. So maybe I want students to see this assignment next week. So this is where I now select the date I want them to see the assignment. Then this is the due date. This is when the last submission date. This is when it's going to end. Then this is the maximum score each student can get. Then this is the title of the assignment. This is where you can provide some details of the assignment. Then you can equally attach a file for them to use for it. So once you're done, you click on create assignment. Okay. So once the assignment is created, it will appear just as what we have here. And you can have more than one assignment. You can create multiple assignments for each courses. Okay. Then under materials, so we have under materials, have study guide, notes, and drive. So we have study guides, notes, and drive. So now study guide is just the same thing as a course specifications, where you provide a document or information about the course, that an overview. Okay, so this is it. So you can edit. Yeah, you can edit. So you can attach a file for the study guide. So you can provide information. So you can attach a file, then you save. So this already have. So that is study guide for you. Then I have notes. So the notes, this is where you add your weekly notes, weekly lecture notes. Okay, so for instance, you can see this is an overview. This particular course, we have 2 lecture notes. Here we only have 1. So to add notes, so if I click on it, it opens up and I can view notes. If I click here, you can view the notes you've added so far. So like I said, it's a weekly uploads. Is what you do weekly. So you can see week 1. So these are we can add multiple notes on each week. So you can see week 2. Okay, so you can see what you have added. You can equally make an edit. You can delete. Then to add notes, all I need to do is to click here, click on add notes. So here now you now select the week you want to add the notes. So you select the week you want to add the notes. You select go live. So this is when you want it to be visible to the students. Like I said, you can add a note for later use. Okay, then this is material title. So this is where you put in the notes title. This is where you can provide the details of details. You can equally attach a file about the notes and for them to see. Okay, then this is where you can share YouTube videos for students. Maybe there is some resources you found on YouTube that is beneficial for students. You can equally share it here. So you put in the YouTube link and the title. You can select the week you want them to see it, and the go live date you want them to see it. So once you're done, just click on share. It automatically appear for them. Now this is Drive. Now the difference between Drive and Notes is that Drive, this is where you upload other learning resources like videos, audios, PDF, whatever files, okay, that you believe that would be important with them. Even softwares, you can add them here, zip files, you can upload them here for them to see. So this is Drive for you. So like this is a video, for instance, okay. So you can, to add a file, all you need to do is to click here, you click on add file, so it loads up, okay. So it loads up, then enter the file title, choose the file, and you upload, okay. So once they come, they can see it. Like I said, this is where you can upload things like video, audio, and other learning resources, okay. Yeah, so this we have four files here, and for this we have only one. So I can see this particular course we have only one. You can add more. So this is it for course drive, course notes, and study guide. Then here you can switch over your semester. So if you have more than one semester, so for now we only have one session, so you can switch over the semesters. You can see first and second semester, so you can go back to your previous work, you can go back to what you've done. So one of the big advantage of this is that you always have your work. You can go back to different sessions and different semesters to see what you've done before, and equally have an overview of them. Then my account, if I go to my account, so this is where profile, so this is where you can manage your profile. So it's loading. So this is my profile. So here you can do some little activities. You can see your activities, you can see your connections, you can update your profile, okay. You can update your profile, you can change your password. This is where you can update your profile, you can change your password, okay. Click on here, you change your password. So this is where you can see your connections, you can see your activities, I can see about me, a quick overview, okay. So this is it. And you can change your profile picture here. So these are a few things you can do under my profile. Then you have my drive as well. So my drive, this is where you see all the files you've uploaded in the platform, okay. So you can see this is my drive. So you can see my drive. So this is where you see all the whole files you've uploaded. You can reuse them, you can share them to. So now the main aim of this, what you can do here is that you can reuse some of these files. So you don't need to, maybe you can upload a file. You can upload a file in a drive in one course. You can share it on other courses. So you don't need to multiple upload one file. So for instance now, if I come to my drive, I have the list of all the whole files I've uploaded on the platform. So all I need to do is to click on this. So once I click on this, then I can now click on share to my courses. So if I click here now, it gives room for me to load my courses. From there I can share. You can see it has loaded my courses. So this is what I want to share. Then I can share to any of these courses. So that is what this means, okay. So those files you have uploaded in those courses, so you can reshare it to other courses. So that is it for my drive, okay. So it help. This is where you can get help. You can lock your account. You can log out once you are done. Okay. So thank you. So this is just a quick overview of using my Funai visual learning environment as a student, as a lecturer. Thank you.